Yup, it's true. I failed to restore this iPhone XS and it's Apple's fault. And during the course of this video, I'll explain why. At this point, not knowing what's gonna happen later, I presented the phone I'll restore as usual. The frame's bent, and because of that, the screen started to lift from the frame. The battery's trash, and the logic board has some issues. I have another frame with a working logic board, and since the screen just needed some glue, and the phone a new battery, I thought it's gonna be a fun video to make. So I started by removing the two pentalobe screws and continued with removing the screen. Up to this point, everything was going great. Lifting the screen up a bit, I was able to insert my plastic pick and went around the frame until I could open the phone. Next, I removed the screws that hold the metal bracket, disconnected the battery and the screen connectors. Here you can see the other frame, and I was supposed to explain that I will not be transferring anything to the other frame, I'll just use the components on it and add a new battery with this phone screen. Moving forward, I prepped the new battery and placed it inside the new frame. Next, it was time to remove the old waterproof seal and give the frame a clean with a Q-tip and isopropyl alcohol. I also had to move the new frame's earpiece flex to keep Face ID functionality. Here's a better look at how the screen detached itself from the frame, so I used some liquid adhesive to fix that. Now I just placed back the earpiece and it was almost time to test if everything works. Everything looks fine, right? Well, no, there's no touch input. Nothing I do makes anything move. But the screen registers the finger for tap to wake. So what's going on here? Did I mess something up? Did I do something wrong? I moved an original iPhone XS screen to another board. It should just work, right? Well, as you may know, Apple doesn't like consumers to fix phones themselves. So this is one of their tactics. If the phone is built in a different factory, the touch won't work. As you can see, the touch works fine on the original logic board, and they also have a smashed iPhone X screen, so not even the same phone, and it works. But the screen frames are different, so you can't use an iPhone X screen on an iPhone XS. So yeah, I failed to restore this phone and it's Apple's fault, because they keep doing these things that shouldn't even exist. I'll send the screen for a chip replacement and I'll make another video on it soon. Thanks for watching, hope you learned something new, and I hope these things will stop in the future with the EU Pro Repair laws. See you next time. Bye.